Good morning. My name is Gail Kramer, and I am the high school principal at Pike Christian Academy in Waverly, Ohio. We have been using GradeLink for our grading services and report card services for quite a number of years now, and we have always been very happy with the service we receive from GradeLink. So recently we decided to branch out and try something different with them. GradeLink builds websites, and we were definitely in need of a website upgrade. So we decided to go with GradeLink. They were very easy to work with. We couldn't be happier with the results that we have from our new website. And the results that we're seeing from it are wonderful. Much parent feedback, able to receive donations and parents making payments. So once again, if you're considering a new website, please consider GradeLink. Thank you and have a wonderful day.